Recording in progress.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So, if possible, from next day onwards, try to sit in a different position because your light is there, no? The background. That light actually.
Sir,
Okay.
can you see now?
Yes, yes. Now better, much better. Okay, so now today you understood. One moment. You can see the screen now. Rubik's cube.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I can see.
So always white should be facing downwards and yellow on the top side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yellow on the top, white on the bottom side. And have you learned the formulas? R means this one, clockwise.
Yes.
R inverse means anti-clockwise. R, R inverse. U, U inverse. U, U inverse. L, L inverse. L, L inverse. This is front. So front and F inverse. F, F inverse. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
likewise backside, down. So simple. Whenever we say R means it is clockwise, right hand side. Okay. R inverse means anti-clockwise, right hand side. And L means clockwise, left hand side. L inverse means anti-clockwise, left hand side. Okay. So we will go step by
Okay.
step. We will go step by step because if you don't remember the first, second, third step, and at some point, if we mess up and if we don't understand, if we cannot come from one to two, two to three steps, then again the complete cube will be messed up. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the very first step is white centerpiece. White should be on the bottom side and yellow on the top side. The first step is to bring the edges, white edges like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just follow me. So what we are doing is I'm just shuffling this one. Now I'm taking this white centerpiece downside and then yellow on the top side. Now my job is to bring all the white edges to yellow layer side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just let's find out. We have one white here. So I'll just turn like this. So it has come this side. Okay. No formulas as such for this. And there is one more white here. I'll just turn like this. If I turn like this, the white is not showing this side. It is showing this side. So I'll again turn this side and I'll just bring it like this. So one piece, two pieces have come. Now the third piece. We have third piece here. If I turn this piece will go this side. Okay. So I will just move this piece this way and I will bring this white here. So we have one, two, three pieces. So now there is one more white here. So I will move it this side because we should not disturb these pieces. And I'm turning like this, but I have white facing this way. I don't want this way, it should be in this way. So I'll just move it this way again. Then I'll turn this, the vacated place. Here we don't have white, right? White. Okay, so now we got four whites. This is the first step. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And now the second step is to match these edge pieces with same color. Okay. These edge pieces are there, right? White, red should match with red here. White, green should match with green here. White, orange should match with orange. White, blue should match with blue. So what I will do, simply I will turn this one once. It is not matching here. Again, I will turn. It is not matching. Again, I will turn. Now it is matching the centerpiece. So now simply I will turn this 90 degrees completely. So what happens? We have white matching with white, blue and blue. The edge piece is now connecting with the centerpieces. Likewise, here. We just need to match the right piece, right color with the centerpiece, and automatically you just need to turn. So now if you see on the bottom layer,
Sir, see, mine is not matching orange and blue.
okay, 1 minute. Show me once again.
Sir, blue and orange is here and orange and blue is here, sir.
Okay, just show me what is the top color.
The remaining pieces are correct only, sir.
Okay, the top one is yellow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what you have to do, simply see. Now this is not matching, right? You can see this one.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do, simply move, turn this one like this, the up, turn towards wherever the right piece is there. Just turn this one.
Now, if I turn, only one is matching, sir.
Okay, enough. Only one is enough. So whichever is matching, which color is matching now?
Blue and white.
Okay, so this one, right? The blue and white is matching.
Yes, sir.
So turn that completely 90 degrees like this. So now when you turn completely, now it is matching with white, white, blue, blue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now again turn towards yellow side, on the top yellow side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now pick next color. Now any white.
Sir.
Very good. Yeah. So now the white green is matching. Now the white green like this. Simply turn it 90 degrees. So now white and white with green and green is matching now, right?
Yes, sir. It
So
is
now,
matching.
yeah. Now again turn towards yellow on the top. So now we have
Yes, sir.
now we have two more whites, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now again try to match one color with the right centerpiece. Just
Sir, white and red.
white with red it is matching, right? So whenever it is matching, just turn that layer only to 90 degrees. So it is now matching with the white.
Sir, I did all the pieces.
Okay. So now all the pieces are now matching.
Yes, sir.
So now you are clear about this step. How to do this step? Can you do it? Even if I ask you tomorrow, can you do this step?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So now we have this step. Whites. Okay. Adjust
Yes, sir.
with matching centerpieces. Right?
Yes, sir.
Super. So now we will go to next step. The next step is now again white should be facing down and yellow on the top side. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
now you should learn this one. What we have to do is always focus on centerpieces. Here we have blue, here we have red, right?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, there is orange and there is green. So simply search a corner piece with white color.
Sir.
Okay. On the yellow side, there is one corner piece with white color, right? So what are the colors?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
can you tell me the combination of the colors?
White, blue, and orange.
White, blue, and orange. So whenever you see
Yes, sir.
white, blue, and orange, turn the top layer, the yellow side, top layer to blue and orange centerpieces are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Bring that to that place. Just turn it like this. The top layer,
Sir, orange matching, sir.
orange, and then the blue side. Where is blue?
The blue piece is on the green colors. Green centerpiece, sir.
Okay, you have
Orange
to.
one is on centerpiece.
Okay, now you have to move that. One moment, I will tell you. Wait. Now see here. I have this white, blue, and orange corner piece, right? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
White, blue, and orange. So now the top layer with yellow here I have, right? I have to just turn that to the place where orange and blue centerpieces are there.
Sir, I moved.
Okay. That piece has to come where orange and blue centerpieces are there. Okay. Now keep that yellow layer on the top and the piece which you moved, just keep that on your face. It should be on the right hand side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now apply this formula. R U
Blue,
R inverse
orange.
U inverse.
Hmm.
Now check if that is matching properly. See, I have that piece here down, but it is not matching.
I'm searching, sir, the piece.
Okay. Please
No,
do not
sir.
see. Remember, do not turn the cube wherever you want like this. It will be confused completely. Okay. Don't
Okay.
turn the cube like this completely. Just hold the cube like that only. See,
It's
just look
not
at,
matching, sir.
it is not matching, right? So hold the white towards downside and yellow on the top side. And again, the piece which is not matching, you see, right?
Yes, sir.
White, blue, orange, that should be on the right hand side, the corner piece.
It's on the bottom, sir. On
No
right.
worries. It's
On
on
the
the bottom
side
means
is
it's, yeah. It's on the bottom means let it be. It is on the white side, right? On the bottom, you're saying?
yes, sir.
Okay. Hold it like this so that it is on the right hand side, on your right hand side. Okay. Now apply the
Okay, sir.
same formula. R, U, R inverse, U inverse. Again apply the same formula. R, U, R inverse, U inverse. Now check whether it is okay now.
Yes, sir. It came.
It came right.
Yes, sir.
So tell me the formula. What formula we are applying?
R U
Okay.
R inverse U inverse.
Okay. So you know the step, right? R, U, R inverse, U inverse. So
Yes, sir.
simply the magic is again search for something with white and the other two colors, the combination of corner piece with white color on
Sir,
the yellow
white,
side.
green, and orange I found, sir.
It should be on the yellow side, okay? Not anywhere. It should be on the yellow top side.
No, nothing is on the top side, sir.
Check
Somewhere
properly.
on the sides.
No, check properly. There is one white, green, and red.
Yes, sir.
You have one, right?
Yes, sir.
White, green, and red. You have it on the top layer. Always remember, don't turn the cube like completely like this. Remember, the yellow should be on top and white should be on the downside, okay?
Yes, sir.
And whatever corner piece we are trying to figure out, we are trying to fix, it should be like this only on the right hand side. Don't turn here and there, okay? So now you have
Okay, sir.
that green and orange or green and blue. Which piece you have with white?
Green and red, sir.
Green and red. Okay, so green and red you have on the top side. So bring it. See here I have green and red, okay?
Yes, sir.
White, green and red on the yellow side, okay? So now search for green and red centerpieces. Where are green and red centerpieces? Search for that.
Sir, I found.
Green and red.
I found, sir.
Okay. So bring
Green
that.
and
Okay. Bring that corner piece where there is green and red. Bring it to the
I
top side.
brought it, sir, today.
Got it right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now simply apply the same formula. R, U, R inverse, U inverse. You applied it wrong, I guess. You applied it R inverse. No, don't turn the
It came
entire
from
cube.
green and orange, sir.
What happened?
Nothing, sir, I found.
That is on the right hand side.
Yes, sir.
Which color it is?
Red and green, sir.
Red and green. And it is exactly in the centerpieces of red and green, right?
Yes, sir.
Just apply R, U, R inverse, U inverse. Okay, whenever you are applying, just check whether the piece is in the right place or not. Is it
No,
properly
sir.
fixed or not? If it is not fixed, then again apply the same formula. Right, up, R inverse, U inverse. Now check again whether the piece is fixed or not. If it is not fixed, again try to apply the same formula. Don't turn the cube completely here and there. If you turn the cube here and there, then again it will mess up.
No, sir, it's not fixed.
It's not fixed. Then again do the same formula. R, U, R inverse, U inverse.
No, sir, it's not fixed.
Then you have to do it again. R, U, R inverse, U inverse.
It's fixed, sir.
Okay, super. So now show me, there are two colors you fixed now, right?
Yes, sir.
So which colors are they?
Yeah.
Show me.
The one I fixed is here, sir.
Okay, one is that one and the other color is?
Red and green, sir. I did.
Red and
I
green.
found green and orange piece, sir.
You found orange and green piece with white.
Orange and white.
Very good. So now where should you take that piece? You have orange and green, right?
Yes, sir.
You have orange and green on the top
Yes,
layer
sir.
of yellow. So you should take that to the place where you have orange and green centerpieces.
I brought it there, sir.
Super. Very good. You brought it there. After bringing it there, just hold it on the right hand side, that piece, and apply the same formula. R, U, R inverse, U inverse. R, U, R inverse, U inverse. Do it until that piece is fixed.
It's fixed, sir.
Super. Very, very good. So now you fixed three pieces, right? Three corner pieces are
Yes,
fixed now. So only the last one corner piece is left now.
Yes, sir.
So is it
The
on the
last
top? Okay, the
No,
last,
sir. It's on the top.
it's not on the top. It is on the bottom with white layer only, right?
Yes, sir. Here.
Okay. So keep it to your face like this, the one which is not fixed. Let's say this one is not
All
fixed,
three
okay?
pieces are fixed. Only
Three,
this one.
whichever is not fixed, keep that unfixed one on your side like this, on the right hand side. Okay. And apply the same formula again. R, U, R inverse, U inverse.
It's fixed, sir.
Fixed?
Yes,
Show
sir.
me
All are done.
all that fixed.
Yes, sir.
Very, very nice. So now if I again jumble it up completely, can you fix it? Can you bring it to this level?
Yes, sir.
So your homework is for tomorrow, do the same thing again and again, the same steps what we did today.
Okay, sir.
The very first step is the top layer will be yellow. You should bring all the white edge pieces here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, you should match that white edge pieces with the right color here. And after matching it, just turn it to the 90 degrees like this. When you turn it 90 degrees, now the white edge piece is matching with the center colors completely. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, you have to fix the corner pieces. You just fix corner pieces. For corner pieces, you have to bring the right corner piece to the right center pieces and then apply the formula RU, R inverse, U inverse. RU, R inverse, U inverse. Okay.
Okay, sir.
completely shuffle it up, and then tomorrow, whenever you come back from shopping mall, or tomorrow whenever you have time, you practice this,
Okay, sir.
and then we will go to the next step.
Okay, sir.
So at any given time, because if we go to next step, if we mess up again, you should be able to do this step. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And very good, Rishikesh, you have done a very good job.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now I think the time is up. I think you have to go out, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank you.